the first example which you have studied for solid combination reaction of compound, that is calcium oxide, which is solid state. Also we used to call it as water. What is the name of calcium oxide? Which is reacting with a liquid water. It is calcium oxide, another two names.
Lime and quicklime.
Oxide. Lime
and quicklime.
quicklime. So which will form what? Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, which is also present in which state? Solid state. So this is the reaction which we have studied for compound combination reaction. So now we have to discuss about this reaction little bit more. Understand? So now let us see here the substances which we use for whitewashing in our home. Whitewashing. Do you know what white paint we will apply in our home? Do you know it or not? Yes or no, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Whitewashing.
Yes, sir.
Whitewashing in our home. Applying white painting to the walls. Whitewashing. We will use, understanding, in our homes, it is a lime. Lime, which is, understanding, called as what? Calcium oxide. So, which we are using as a whitewashing in our house is lime or quicklime. Lime or quicklime, which is only known as what, Ra? Which is only known as calcium oxide. Now, put this calcium oxide in a drum. Understanding? We will take one bucket or container and we will put this calcium oxide and we will add water to it slowly. So, if we add water to it slowly, it will turn into what? It will turn into what? If you add water to it, what will happen? It will turn into
Calcium hydroxide.
Calcium hydroxide.
So calcium oxide reacts with water vigorously, means very, very fastly. It will start reacting, understanding, vigorously to form a white solid called as. What is that white solid called as?
Calcium hydroxide.
Calcium
White
hydroxide.
solid called as calcium hydroxide.
Hydroxide.
Called as
Flaked lime.
Understand? The color of calcium oxide is also white only. Remember, this is the white color code. So now, here, this calcium oxide reacts with water vigorously to form a white solid called as calcium hydroxide with the evolution of heat. With the evolution of heat. Means in the sense of it is which reaction? It will evolve the heat, evolution of heat. So that we will touch the beaker, it will feel that, it will be very hot in nature. So means in the sense of it is which reaction? It is a combination reaction as well as
Exothermic reaction.
exothermic reaction.
Exothermic.
Yes. So here, if we add more water continuously, then understanding this calcium hydroxide solid will turns into the solution. So we'll get understanding to get calcium hydroxide solution. If you want to get the calcium hydroxide solution, then it will be we have to add more amount of water. Then this calcium hydroxide solution is only applied to the walls of the house with a brush. Are you people understanding? So, which one we are applying this calcium? Which one we are applying to the walls? Calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide?
Calcium hydroxide.
Calcium hydroxide. But what is the raw material to make the calcium hydroxide?
Calcium oxide.
oxide.
Oxide plus water.
Yes. Now, we are applying. Is it we are applying the solution or solid calcium hydroxide?
Solid calcium hydroxide.
Solid calcium hydroxide. Now, this solid calcium hydroxide, we are applying what?
No, sir. Liquid.
Yeah, solution. That solution means more amount of water is dissolved. Then what we used to call that?
State.
More amount of water is dissolved. Then what we used to call? Aqueous solution. What we used to call? Aqueous solution.
Aqueous
Now, that is only I am applying to the walls with the help of brush. Now, is it becoming after applying? Is it will be dry or it will be like wet only always?
Dry.
Dry. Is it correct or not? So,
Yes.
how it will become dry means here this calcium hydroxide will start reacting with carbon dioxide gas which is present in atmosphere and it will form a hard substance called as calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. White color. We can see that after that we can get the like a small slates it will be forming. Correct or not? If we can remove it also. Yes or no, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is only called as calcium carbonate. Along with that, it will form water. What it will
Water.
form? Water. So these
Water.
are two reactions. Understand? So calcium oxide reacting with water, which will form calcium hydroxide, and the calcium hydroxide, when it is in aqueous state, if you apply to the walls, it will reacting with the carbon dioxide, and it will form calcium carbonate plus water. So this is only called as whitewashing. What we used to call
Whitewashing.
Whitewashing.
So
Whitewash.
this process gives a white, shiny appearance to the walls of a house. This is called as whitewashing. Why we used to call it as whitewashing? Because this process will give a white and shiny surface to the appearance of a walls. So that is only it is called as whitewashing. Understanding, Amma? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now here, if you remember, sir, if I apply the calcium hydroxide today, then tomorrow itself it is forming the calcium hydroxide, or else after half an hour it is forming calcium carbonate means no. So the calcium carbonate is actually formed, understanding, not by immediately after applying the calcium hydroxide. It will take minimum 2 to 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls. Then only it will come. You people need to remember. So if it wants to form the calcium carbonate after applying calcium hydroxide, it will take how many days minimum? 2 to 3 days
3
of
days.
whitewashing, and later only it will start giving which surface, Amma?
Shiny, sir.
Surface.
Shiny.
Understanding?
Surface.
Shiny surface to the walls. How many of you understand this equation? This is the most important equation in class 10th, which we used to study so many times. I'm not joking. You clear? Any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
Yes. So this is the thing you have to remember, these two equations. Note it down. You keep explanation. Explanation, you can keep heading. Explanation, this is for what? Whitewashing. Whitewashing. Are you understanding, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Whitewashing.
Yes,
And
sir.
write these two equations. These two equations is called as whitewashing. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Whitewashing. Completed, Dina? Still so many absent. Okay. This is all about this whitewashing. So now shall we go for next example? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one is, right, ammonia. Ammonia means what I said formula. NH3 or NH4? Ammonia.
NH3.
NH3, ammonia. NH3, ammonium, NH4. That you have to remember. So now, the next example number what? 6 or 7 or 8?
8, sir.
8. So example number 8, right. Ammonia reacts with hydrogen chloride. Ammonia react with hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride means what? Let me see. Last class I said HCl. But what is the state? What is the
HCl.
state? What is the state?
Solid.
See your notebook.
Solid, sir.
Solid,
Solid.
sir. Solid,
No,
sir.
Solid.
Solid, sir.
Solid.
Used
No,
to
sir.
Solid.
Sir, if we dissolve in water means it is
Dissolve in water
hydrogen.
means it
we
is
used to
Gas,
get aqueous hydro.
gaseous state, sir.
Gas, sir.
Hydrogen.
After reacting with
gas.
water only, it will change into aqueous state.
What is
Sir,
that?
example 8, what?
State. What is that? Which state?
Gaseous state, sir.
Gaseous state. Somebody saying solid state. Right. Ammonia reacts with hydrogen chloride. Ammonia reacts with hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride means gaseous state. Hydrochloric acid means
Liquid state.
hydrochloric
Aqueous
acid.
state, sir. Aqueous state.
Aqueous state. Understanding?
Aqueous
But
solution.
both the formula is what?
HCl.
Same.
HCl.
Understanding? That is. So, a hydrogen chloride to form ammonium chloride. Ammonium. Ammonium means what? NH4 and NH3.
NH4.
Ammonium.
NH4.
NH.
Ammonia is NH3.
Yeah. Now start writing now. Word equation first. Word equation, what will come? Ammonia plus
Ammonia plus
hydrogen
hydrogen chloride.
Hydrogen
Chloride.
chloride.
chloride
Ammonium chloride.
will gives what? Combination reaction. This is which reaction?
Combination reaction.
Reaction which will gives what? Ammonium
Chloride.
understanding. So now start writing chemical equation. What is that? Tell me. What is ammonia?
NH3.
NH3.
What is the state of ammonia?
Plus
Gas.
gaseous.
Gas, sir.
Gaseous state. Ammonia, remember, plus
HCl.
hydrogen chloride,
Plus HCl.
HCl.
which will
Gaseous.
combination, understanding. So which will form
NH4Cl.
ammonium chloride,
NH4Cl.
NH4
Cl.
Cl.
What is the state? Solid state. Understanding? What is the state?
Solid state.
How this formula will come means NH4 is a positive polyatomic ion. Understanding? And chlorine is -1. If you exchange it, what will come? NH4Cl. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is the answer. Write it. This is the example number 8. So here in this reaction, if you observe, first listen. The compounds, which compounds, Amma? Ammonia and hydrogen chloride combine together to produce a new compound called as ammonium chloride. So this is an example of what? Combination reaction. Understanding? Yes, combination reaction. That's all.
Reaction.
Yes. So now this is all about the element reactions and compound reaction. Now, what is the next type of reactions? Combination reactions, third type.
Element compound.
Element compound, sir.
Compound element. Is it correct or not? One compound and one element. will
One element.
Then we'll
Compound.
see of this. Anybody, any idea? One element and one compound will give single compound. Please. If you have idea, you can say. Easily we can say it. Right. Example number 9. So
Oxygen plus.
oxygen plus. You cannot. Already we have studied some equations up. If you see that equations, you can get it. No issues. Let us see now. So example, write it. Carbon monoxide reacts with oxygen. Carbon monoxide. What is the formula? Carbon monoxide. Ganapati, Nitish. Dina?
CO.
CO.
CO,
Carbon
sir.
monoxide reacting with oxygen. So again, what it will form? Carbon monoxide reacting with oxygen. Prasini.
CO2, carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon monoxide reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Now, write the equation and tell me the balanced equation fastly. Let me see who will balance. I will write. Carbon monoxide. What is the state of carbon monoxide? Nitesh. Carbon monoxide. Dina. CO. Understanding. And oxygen how? O or O2? O. Who is saying O? Who said about O? No, nothing. No brain at all. It is the what? O2, which is again in the state of gaseous state. So combination, no O. It is diatomic molecule. Combination, which will form carbon dioxide. Balancing, tell me fast. Balancing, let me see who will say first.
Sir, 2CO plus O2 gives 2CO2. O2 gives
Plus
2CO2.
O2 will give you 2CO2.
2CO2.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That is a balancing equation. So in this reaction, if you'll see carbon monoxide, this is a what? Compound. What is to call? Compound. And this is what?
Compound.
Element. Understanding?
Element.
Give you a again what? Again compound.
Compound.
So this is
Compound.
only called as What we should call?
Compound element.
Combination reaction.
Combination reaction.
Combination.
Understanding? Next, last example for combination reaction, which is under element compound or compound element reaction. Write it. Example number 10. All of you. Example number 10. You have to guess the products also now onwards. Now beginning class is over. Now you are already in the advanced stage. You people need to know what is that. You have to guess the products also. Now, one more example for compound and element. Anybody? Any idea? Right. Sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen. Sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen. Now you people only say. I won't say. Let me see who will say. Sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen. What will come? Like carbon dioxide only, man.
Sulfur.
Sulfur dioxide plus oxygen, which will come sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide. That's all. Sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen to produce sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide. Reaction.
Trioxide.
Reaction.
Yes, sir. 3 oxygen.
Sulfur dioxide. What is that?
SO2 plus O2.
Gaseous state.
SO2 plus O2.
O2 gives
Gas. Others also communicate, which will form what?
SO.
Say.
SO4.
Sulfur trioxide. Tri. 3 SO4 what?
SO3, sir. SO3.
Sulfur
SO3, sir.
trioxide gas. Balancing. Balancing solunga.
Sir, balancing. 2, sir. 3. 2, sir. Yes, sir. 2 SO2 plus O2 gives 2 SO3.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yes or no?
No?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is a
Yes,
balancing.
sir. Yes, sir.
So here also same thing. One element and one compound to form a new compound called as sulfur trioxide. So till here any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. So this is all about the combination reaction. So single combination reaction. How many examples I have taught?
10.
10. Nobody should do mistake again. Remember that. Now, this is the first type of reaction. Understanding? So what is the next type of reaction? Let us go for the next type of reaction called as what? All of you.
Decomposition reaction.
Decomposition reaction, sir.
Decomposition reaction. Very, very simple. Remember. First listen. Later you can write. Is there any doubt in the combination reaction? Anybody? Humaira?
No,
sir.
Now go for the second type of reaction
No,
called
sir.
as decomposition reaction. The second type of reaction is called as decomposition. Decomposition reaction. So let us come to here. First you understand what is the decomposition reaction means. Always in decomposition reaction, reactant should be one. One reactant is going to splitting into, understanding, maybe a heating, maybe a passing electricity, maybe a passing light. Definitely something will be. It will be splitting into more than one product. Understanding? More than one product. Then what we used to call them? That is called as decomposition reaction. Understanding? A single compound element cannot form. So always remember decomposition reaction only takes place in compounds. No elements will form the decomposition reaction because reactant should be single substance which will form more than one product. More than
One product.
more than one product. So those reactions in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances.
Sir,
Known as
electrolysis of water will come under
that is also one other type of decomposition reaction. I will say that, you just wait. Understanding?
Okay.
So now here if you'll observe, single compound is going to split up into two or more simpler substances is known as decomposition reaction. So these decomposition reactions is carried out by applying three things. Understand? Applying three things. As I said, first one is by applying heat. First one type of reactions will take place. Next one, by applying light, a few reactions will take place, and next one by applying what? By applying
Electricity.
electricity, few reactions will take place. But heat, light, or electricity provide energy which breaks a compound into two or more simpler compounds. So that is why you remember this decomposition reaction, it is just a opposite to the combination reaction. Are you people understanding, Amma? It is just what?
Yes, sir.
It is just opposite to combination.
Opposite to combination.
Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
There
Yes,
we are
sir.
combining to get a single product. Here, single reactant is going to form more than one product. Is it correct or not?
More than
That
one.
is why
Yes, sir.
this is called as,
Yes, sir.
it is the just decomposition reaction is the opposite of a combination reaction. First write the definition, then later you write decomposition reactions carried by three things: by applying heat, light, or electricity. So later we'll start the examples. Right, first those reactions. So always in decomposition reaction, how many reactants will be? Reactants will be the number of reactants.
One.
Number of reactants
One, sir.
always one. But number of products should be
More than one.
More than one. More than
others
one.
also should remember, right? Those reactions in which a compound splits up into splits splits up into two or more simpler substances. Two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reaction. So this reaction will take place under maybe heat, maybe by applying heat, or maybe by applying light.
Or light or by electricity.
Electricity.
Very good. Write it. Like this you write. So now, shall we start the example one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, let us go for the example one. Write the first. Now onwards, I will say only reaction. Can you able to write the word equation plus symbolic equation? Later I will write. After yours, I will write it. Because you should know the formulas. That is why. Is it okay, da?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, right.
Okay,
When calcium carbonate, only reaction I will say. Example one. When calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. First word equation solunga. Tell me word equation, all of you.
Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate arrow
Calcium oxide and calcium
arrow above
carbon.
what will come? Down what will come?
Heat, sir.
Decomposition.
Decomposition.
Which will give you
Calcium
Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide.
plus carbon dioxide.
Now, tell me the symbolic chemical equation, all of you. Calcium
CO3.
CaCO3. What is the state?
Solid.
CaCO3. Solid state.
Solid.
Which will give you
Calcium oxide. CaO.
and decomposition.
CaO plus CO2.
CaO plus
Very
CO2.
good. Calcium oxide, what is the state? Calcium oxide
Calcium.
state.
Solid, sir.
Solid state.
Solid.
Plus carbon dioxide.
Gaseous.
Gaseous state, sir.
So this
CO2.
calcium oxide is also called as what? Lime or quicklime. Is it correct or not?
Quicklime.
Like that. Calcium
Yes, sir.
carbonate also we can call it as limestone. What do we to call?
Limestone.
Limestone. Remember, this is the equation. All of you note it down. Can you able to write the products now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is it balanced or unbalanced? Verify and tell me.
Unbalanced, sir.
Sir, balanced, sir.
Sir, balanced, sir.
Yes, sir. Balanced, sir.
Yes, sir, balanced.
Balanced chemical equation. Ma, who is absent? Padmavarshini, Jessie, Pranita is there. Jessie is absent. Next, who is absent? Boys,
Varshini, sir.
Varshini is there.
Va-
Who is the next? Anusri, 3 members absent. That's all correct, Amma? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dina present, Varshini present, Pranita, Pranav, Prahasini, Nitish, Sumera, Arya, Akshaya, Aravind, Ashika, Dilip and Yazid. Okay, that's all. So right, this is the first equation. Now, first few minutes you listen about this because this is the most important substance. That is what I am saying. So in this reaction, if you remember, few minutes listen, don't write anything. This is the most important thing which I am going to say now. Understand? So if you'll observe in this reaction, the only one substance called as calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is breaking up into 2 simpler substances called as calcium oxide and carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Now, that is why this reaction we can call it as a decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. But you please remember here, the most important thing is calcium carbonate is also called as limestone. What is to call?
Limestone.
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 And calcium oxide, which is formed from it, is called as lime.
Lime.
Lime or quicklime.
Lime or
Quicklime.
quicklime. So now,
Quicklime.
if you'll observe here,
Quicklime.
the decomposition of this calcium carbonate means limestone, and by which process? Heating or lighting or electricity? By
Heating.
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 Understand?
Heat.
By heating. It is an important reaction which is used in so many kinds of industries. Understanding? So many industries, because calcium oxide, which is obtained in this reaction by the decomposition of calcium carbonate. Understanding? We have many uses in industry. Calcium oxide, we are having a plenty number of users in every industry. That is why this is the most important chemical decomposition reaction. So for example, if we'll take, understanding, so the calcium oxide is not present normally, which is present in the form of combined state of calcium carbonate. After heating only we used to get this calcium oxide. So
Okay.
this calcium oxide or lime, which were used on a large scale, most of the calcium oxide we are using in manufacturing of cement and glass. So without cement and without glass, can you able to imagine the construction without cement? Without
Sir,
cement.
glass also.
So that is the importance of this reaction. Understanding? So most of the calcium oxide which is coming from decomposition of calcium carbonate is used in which
Calcium
industry,
carbonate.
Sama?
Cement and glass.
Cement and
Cement and glass.
Cement and glass.
cement and glass industries. Understanding? And remember, the process which decomposes the calcium carbonate into calcium oxide, that full process, the big manufacturing mission is called as, understanding, kiln. What we used to call? Kiln. Lime kiln we used to call. That unit, lime kiln. What we used to call them?
Kiln.
Lime kiln is the
Lime.
mission which will decompose the calcium carbonate into what? Calcium oxide. Understanding? Calcium
Oxide.
oxide.
Oxide, sir.
Called as
Calcium
lime
oxide.
kiln. Now I am giving you chance to write these 2
Lime
points.
kiln.
Uses of calcium oxide. Most of the calcium oxide is used in cement industry and glass industry, as well as that mission name is called as lime kiln, which is producing Calcium oxide from calcium carbonate. Write it the 2 points. Your own you can write. I don't care. Note you can keep and you write it. If you have any doubt, you just ask me. Doubt? Over?
8, sir.
Names should be remembered. Names. Other names always most important in chemistry. Over, ma? Now, the reaction which we have studied, which will be takes place with the help of what, amma? Which will be takes place with the help of what? Tell me, yaar. The decomposition is taking place, which is carrying out by what?
Heat.
Heat. Correct or not?
Heat.
So, if any kind of decomposition
Yes, sir.
reaction which is taking place carried out by help of heating, then that reactions are called as thermal decomposition reaction. What we used to call?
Thermal decomposition.
Thermal
Decomposition reaction, and that process is called as thermal decomposition. That's all. So now all of you keep heading and write thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. So now what is the thermal decomposition? When a decomposition reaction, when a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is called, what is to call?
Thermal decomposition.
Thermal decomposition. Are you people understanding, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now let us go for next second example. I will say only reaction. Can you able to write chemical reaction? Salesera?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Already we have studied this also. Understanding, right? Including balancing also, right? When potassium chloride rate chlorate is heated in the presence of manganese dioxide catalyst. This is already we have studied. Have you remembered this equation?
Yes,
But
sir.
Can you repeat
more
once again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, making the equation more informative. Do you remember or not?
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
you repeat it once
Yeah.
again?
When potassium chlorate, chlorate is heated in the presence of catalyst. What is the catalyst here? MnO2 means what?
Manganese dioxide.
Manganese dioxide is present in the presence of manganese dioxide catalyst. It decomposes and it will give what, Amma? To give what? What is the products? Yes.
Potassium chloride.
Potassium.
Potassium chloride plus oxygen.
Very good. Potassium chloride. Chloride or chlorata?
Chloride, sir.
Chloride. Right now. Chloride and oxygen. Now write the chemical equation, all of you. What is the chemical equation?
Okay. KCl3 plus
KClO3. What is the state?
Sir, KClO3 gives
What is the state?
2K
Solid state.
heat
Solid
and
state.
salt.
Heat,
solid state, heat and decomposition give KCl solid state,
decomposition. What
oxygen
is the catalyst?
gaseous state,
MnO2.
MnO2,
Which will give you what? KCl.
KCl
KCl
solid state, sir,
Solid state plus
oxygen gaseous state.
gas state. Now balancing equation solunga.
2 KClO3,
plus 2.
2 KCl3O2.
That's all. Is it okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, this is the most important reaction. Now I will say one point about it. First finish this equation. I will say one point. That is the most important point, understanding, regarding your examination point of view. That I will say, you write it. Somebody left the meeting. Who is that again? Name. Okay, no issues. Dina is there. Somebody went out. Who is that? I don't know. Pranita. Pranita is not there. Okay. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
all of you keep hitting note. Note you keep and remember this process. Understand? So as we know that this decomposition takes place in the presence of heat and as well as catalyst. Is heat and catalyst. In
Catalyst.
exam, they will ask
Catalyst.
you the question like in the sense of, give one example of decomposition reaction which will take place under heat plus catalyst. Then which example you will give?
Potassium chloride.
Decomposition.
Potassium chloride.
Potassium chloride.
That is the thing, important thing. One question. Next. Remember, this is the process which we people are using. Understanding? In laboratory, decomposition reaction is used for preparing oxygen gas in the laboratory. So, this is the equation. This is the method, decomposition of this potassium chloride, which we are using. Understanding? For preparing what? Preparing oxygen gas in the
Oxygen
laboratory. In the laboratory. That is what oxygen cylinders and all. What we are filling the oxygen cylinder, it has been manufactured in the laboratory by decomposing of this reaction on. Is it okay, Amma?
Potassium chloride.
That is,
Yes, sir.
keep note.
Sir, note.
Keep note and write. Keep note and write. Note.